Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello, dear first year students of Meta Sciences. We present to you the contents of the Environment course. This course contains Introduction, Chapter 1, Environment Introduction, Chapter 2, Environmental Pollution, Chapter 3, Air Pollution, Chapter 4, Water Pollution, Chapter 5, Soil Pollution, and Conclusion. This is mental map which contains all the information you need about this course. Introduction. The importance of environmental science and environmental studies cannot be disputed. The need for sustainable development is the key to the future of mankind. Continuing problems of pollution, solid waste disposal, degradation of environment, issues like economic productivity and national security, global warming, depletion of ozone layer, and loss of biodiversity have made everyone aware of environmental issues. Chapter 1, Environment Introduction. In this chapter, we provide you with some definition related to the environment to better understand this course. What does environment mean? If you mean physical environment, then it is defined as the surrounding conditions and elements with which a living thing interacts with. However, apart from the physical, there are other types of elements that make up environment. They are the chemical and biological attributes. Thus, an environment contains all biotic living components and abiotic and non-living components that have a role in the survival, evolution, and development of the organism. Types of environments. The environment differs from one's perspective to another. An external environment refers to the environment outside of the organism. Environment will be internal milieu of a multicellular organism. A natural environment is a type of environment found in nature. It includes all naturally occurring things, both living and non-living things. It therefore involves the complex relationships of weather, climate, living species, and natural resources. Both environments are made by humans, such agriculture, conversion or urban settings. With the current breadth of human intervention and conversion, many natural environments have acquired some degree or level of being built. Chapter 2, Environmental Pollution. Source of pollution. The anthropogenic pollution and the natural pollution. The anthropogenic pollution terms refer to a human-caused factor. Types of pollutants. There is primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. The primary pollutants are directly emitted by pollution sources. Secondary pollutants are not emitted but result from the physiochemical transformation of primary pollutants. Types of pollution. There are air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Chapter 3, Air pollution. Air pollution can be defined as the presence of impurities in the air that can cause significant discomfort to people and damage their breathability. Air pollution is therefore strongly influenced by the climate and particularly by wind, temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure. This chapter contains atmospheric layers, their composition and characteristic, mechanism of air pollution, ecological impacts of air pollution. Chapter 4, Water pollution. Water pollution can have various origins, including industrial agriculture, which reject various products present in fertilizers. Industry. This mainly involves chemicals and hydrocarbons. Wastewater. It is a favorable environment for the establishment of bacterial microfauna. In this chapter, we talk about sources of water pollution and human health. This chapter also contains water treatment. Chapter 5. Soil pollution. Soil pollution can be diffuse or local, of industrial or agricultural origin. This agricultural pollution can have several impacts on human health by affecting groundwater on the one hand, and by contaminating crops growing on the soils through bioaccumulation on the other hand. This chapter contains cause and types of soil pollution, consequences of soil pollution. Causes and types of soil pollution. Specific pollution, accounted for by particular causes occurring in small areas, the reason for which can be easily identified. Land pollution such as this is normally found in cities, at factory sites, around roadways, illegal dumps and sewage treatment stations. Widespread pollution covers extensive areas and has several causes, the reasons for which are difficult to identify. Cases such this involve the spreading of pollutants by air groundwater systems and seriously affect human health and the environment. Conclusion: environmental study help us understand our environment and teach us to use natural resources more efficiently. There is ever-demanding need for environmental study because the environment is responsible for making our world beautiful and habitable. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to contact us.